2059 Clinton Avenue. We're across the street from Alameda Hospital. You can park on the street. There's also parking in the rear of the building. Once you find parking, make your way to the front here. Go down this walkway. You'll see the glass doors. Enter the code on the keypad here that's provided to you on your confirmation. Once you get inside, you'll see a door on the left side here. Enter the code on the keypad here. Enter the reception area. Once again, follow the signs. Go down the hallway. Safety Training Seminars is located in Suite 2F, all the way in the back. And again, enter that code on the keypad. Come inside. You can choose any station, log in, and you can begin your RQI skill test.